Greetings educators, welcome to the TIAT tutorial series. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how you can download the TIAT software onto your computer and then install it and start using it. Let's get started. First, let's go and visit the TIAT website, www.tiat.co.za. This URL will lead you to the website for the Teacher Interactive Assessment Tool. So you can go and explore this website to find out more about what TIAT offers. Right now, let's go right ahead and download TIAT. So go to the top right corner and click on the Download TIAT button. The system will ask you to select your operating system. I'm using a Windows computer, so I'm going to select Windows. Click Download. The download will take a few seconds to a few minutes depending on the speed of your internet. We're going to wait for this to finish downloading and then we'll proceed. Right. Now that our file is finished downloading, let's open the file and inspect its contents. So go down to where the file is downloaded and click to open. So you'll find that this is a zip folder. So you have to extract it to a location of our choice. So extract all. So we're going to extract it to the downloads folder, which is where the zip folder has been downloaded to. Just click extract. Right. This is in the extracted folder. Let's inspect the TIAT installer folder and see what's inside. There are three files. There's the sample folder, the TIAT manual, and the TIAT installer Excel file. For this video, we're just going to focus on the Excel file. For that is the file that we're going to use to install TIAT. So to install TIAT onto your computer, just double click the TIAT installer.exe file. Click more info if this window pops up and then click run anyway. Accept the agreement and click next. Keep on clicking next. You can select to have a shortcut on the desktop if you like and click next and then install. So with just these few steps, this is all it takes to actually install TIAT onto your computer. Let's just wait for this installation to finish. Right, we are done completing the TIAT setup wizard. So now after this, you have actually successfully installed TIAT onto your computer. If you click finish with this checkbox checked, TIAT will launch automatically. But then if you do not want to launch it now, just uncheck it and you can run TIAT later from the start menu. You see TIAT has been installed into your computer. We're going to try to launch TIAT immediately. So we're going to click finish with the checkbox checked. And voila, you have successfully installed TIAT onto your computer. In the next video, we're going to show you how to set up your TIAT account so that you can start assessing your students using TIAT. Thank you for listening. Join us in the next video. Bye.